Welcome to Spotlight for Success by American Book Company. I'm Devin Pintosi, your host. We are here at LACUE 2025 in New Orleans, Louisiana. We are so excited to have with us today Anthony Swallor. Anthony joins us from Allen Parish. Anthony, good to see you today.
Nice to meet you, Devin.
Yes. Anthony comes to us. Can you tell us about the different roles you have in your school? It seems like you're doing a lot.
Yes, sir. I do pretty much anything they tell me. I've got half the math department's mine. My wife's the other half. I'm teaching physics this coming semester. I also teach Python programming. I'm also the esports coach, the school tech, and just whatever they tell me to do.
Wow, that's busy and amazing that you're doing all of those things.
Small school, got to have multiple hats.
I guess so.
Yes, sir.
And can you tell me about some of the initiatives that you're leading at your school?
Well, actually, esports, we're the only one in the parish right now. I'm leading it for the parish. We started in 23 or 24. We just started.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir. So that's the main initiative we have there.
Okay, that's great. And can you tell me a bit? I understand you've used the American Book Company materials. Thank you for watching Spotlight for Success. I am Devin Pintosi, Chief Operating Officer of American Book Company. We are located here in our headquarters in Woodstock, Georgia. All of our materials are printed in USA. We have course books, ebooks, and online testing in grades K through 12, in mathematics, ELA, science, and social studies. These materials are all designed to help students achieve higher scores on their state-specific high-stakes assessments. We guarantee score improvement. You can get free samples of our materials either in print or in electronic formats at abck12.com. We look forward to hearing from you.
Yes, sir. When I'm at conferences like this, I kind of like to get some of your lessons and leave that for my kids to follow along. With my geometry students, I like to give the angle relations lessons. I have a pretty old book at home, so it's not as fancy as your newer ones, but it still gets the job done.
Okay, that's awesome. And can you tell me a bit about things that are going on with you in the school system in terms of initiatives that you've learned here at LACUE? Things that, something new you've done, like you learned Python and things like that?
Yes, sir. I learned Python, got certified in Python to teach Python. Also, I'm dabbling with AI, trying to get my kids to dabble in AI responsibly instead of, just having it take a picture and solve their entire math test for them.
Oh, so what does that look like? What does responsible use of AI look like in the classroom?
Well, we're allowed to use 2 AIs in our parish, Gemini and Copilot. So I have my students use Copilot and I have them turn on the study mode so it more walks them through the problems than just spits out an answer, and they can kind of like have a conversation with it to try and figure out where they went wrong.
Oh, okay.
If they do, I try and probe them to do so, but they don't always follow along. They just usually try and just get the answers anyway.
Oh, okay. Well, it's always an interesting thing to manage in the classroom today, right?
Yeah, sir. It's not going anywhere, so you got to figure out a way to embrace it.
That's right. That's right. Do you have anything you'd like to share with the LACUE community?
Just embrace AI. If you're not using it, you're behind the times. It's here. The kids are using it more than we are, so and don't think you can stop them from using it. They know more tricks than you do, so just got to go with the flow. Figure out how to go along with it instead of trying to ban it.
There you go. I'm totally with you. That's perfect. Anthony Swallor, thank you for joining us today. Anthony joins us again from Allen Parish, Louisiana. Thank you.
Thank you, Devin. Thank you for having me.